Okay, so we have a pretty good list of functions here so far. Most recently, you made one to draw a polygon given a number of sides and a side length, where you could, so this would be an example, a three-sided polygon with sides that are 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters long. So this would draw a triangle with 10 centimeter sides. And this is what my function looks like down here. So I take the angle and I calculate the angle using the number of sides, and then I step through going forward and turning an angle multiple times. Okay, and that's just the basics of the function, but it has a problem. What you might notice is that I can only do this to the left, and later it might be useful if I could have an option to make it go left or right. Okay, and so what we're going to do is this. We're going to add another argument. So for now we say side length, and then we'll say left, or direction maybe. And what we'll do here is we'll say 1 is equal to left, and 0 is equal to right. And that will allow us to figure this out. Okay, so we want to be able to add here a 1 or a 0 for left or right. So let's say to the left we'll do 1. And so the way that we'll account for it here is we need to add integer, and we'll say direction. Okay, and what we'll do is here at the place where it tells us to go left, we'll use an if statement to make a decision. So if we'll say if direction is the same as 1, then what we'll do is, I guess we use, sorry, it was confusing my Python and C++ there. What we'll do is that we'll go left in that case, okay, and then we'll have an else, so under all other cases we will go right. Okay, and so there you have now a tool for deciding a direction. Okay, also one other thing, if you go to your left and right functions, I actually am going to remove this for now because I don't think it was beneficial. I think it just kind of made a little bit more of a mess because the pen didn't seem to really maintain its position. So I'm going to remove that, and I recommend, well, it's really up to you if you want to keep that there or not. I'm not going to keep that there. Okay, and so this is a way though that you can, we're going to modify that draw polygon side so that it can go left or right. Okay.